SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another banger for you guys. First, I want to start this video off with a big shout out to you guys for clicking on this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe for me. Join the fam. Like I said before, I don't really have a name for y'all yet. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all think I should call you guys. You guys read the title, you know exactly why you're here. I got a comment on a previous video of mine from Mopar Fiend 2.0, as you can see right here. They want to see a video on the gas and my monthly payments. So that's what I'm gonna do today for y'all. It's a beautiful day out. I'm about to go work out. I'm gonna tune back in with y'all in a second. Do me a favor, if you haven't yet, follow me on my Instagram at SRT BUBZ. I'm about to hit 40K on there. I'm at like 39K. I'm posting every single day on my Instagram. Also, hit that like button for me and hit that subscribe and post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. So I'm about to go work out real quick. I'm gonna tune back in with y'all in a second. As y'all can see, workout's done. But I can't start the video yet without giving y'all full quick look around the vehicle. This is for everyone who has not seen my Jeep. Got carbon fiber wrap on the trunk here, as you can see. Carbon fiber hood. Yeah, you see this is coming off soon. Probably the next vid. It's already all faded and coming off already. Big changes coming to the Jeep. Well overdue. But I'm ready for this video, so let's get started. And so before I could even get into the gas and the monthly payments for the Jeep, I have to give y'all a little backstory on how did I end up getting into the Jeep in the first place. So I had got into a bad accident, very bad accident in my Ford Fusion that I had. After that, going through the insurance company was a hassle. Everything was just so frustrating, and I just wanted to get a new car and get a means of transportation so bad. I had my Fusion when I was down the way at school. I went to go test drive a Scat Pack that I really much wanted. Been thinking about having a Scat Pack because I used to drive my Fusion, drive my Ford around like I was like in a race car almost. I needed that V8. I don't even know what engine a Ford Fusion has. If anybody know what a 2014 Ford Fusion has, I have no idea. But yeah, so I got into a bad accident on my Ford, and I wanted a Charger for a while. I was thinking about trading in my Fusion when I had the chance to, you know, get something new when everything was right, when I stacked up enough bread. Basically, after my accident, I was thinking, only on this earth one time, literally, so why not enjoy it to the fullest that you can while you can? So I thought, I'm gonna do whatever I can to put me into a Scat Pack, because the Scat Pack was more affordable than the Trackhawk. At first, I really wanted a Trackhawk bad. Coming from a Ford Fusion and trying to jump up to a Trackhawk, it would have been like impossible. I didn't have no good credit, so it was hard. Long story short, when I found my Scat Pack, I did everything that I can to obtain it. Me and my man's Ray flew out to Ohio to go pick up my Scat Pack, and we drove it back. I wish I had the content for that for you guys. Like, I wasn't even thinking about recording. I was just so focused on going and getting my Scat Pack. I was just so excited. So I got the Scat Pack. I ended up putting a lot of money down. Like I said, I didn't have good credit, so I had to talk nice and put a lot of money down. So my Scat Pack was about 42, and I put down 30. So already off rip, I'm in positive equity in my Scat Pack because I only got to pay off $12,000. I put down $30,000. Then I was thinking wintertime was coming. So wintertime was approaching, and I needed another vehicle because up here it snows a lot, and I needed an all-wheel drive vehicle to help me through the snow, through whatever. So basically, I was looking at pickup trucks and other things that I would try to buy to get me through the winter. But then when I thought of the cost of getting a reliable truck, having to get insurance out on that truck, having to pay for storage for my scat pack, all of this other stuff, I figured why not just upgrade and do whatever I can to get into a track hook now. So I was just looking for track hooks. I couldn't find no cheaper track hooks with lower mileage because the prices was going up. Everything was literally still in the midst of like getting higher. Like now they're absolutely crazy. But before it was a little manageable, but now they're just skyrocketing. At the time it was probably like 85, 90,000. Now they're upwards about 100,000 to 110. I wanted a track hook bag, so I was looking to do anything that I can to get myself into a track hook. I'm looking for the lowest priced one with the lowest mileage at the time. So I'm looking. I can't find nothing that's in the right price range. And I end up stumbling across SRT Jeeps. So when I found out that they have a 392 version of the track hook, I thought that'd be perfect. Not too much, not too little, and the price is a lot more obtainable. You get what I'm saying? It's a lot cheaper. So I could probably find one in my type of price range. So now I'm starting to look for SRT Jeeps. Now I'm starting to break it down to the right interior, price, mileage, all that good stuff. So when I was looking, I found this Jeep from a company called Vroom. They're like Carvana kind of. They deliver the car, drop it off for 7 days, let you have time to see if you wanted to buy it or not. I found the Jeep, called them, and I got my monthly payments to about $550 a month, which is what I could afford. So when I went to go trade in my Scat, they gave me an extra $7,000 for my Scat pack than I paid for it. All I had to do was come out of my pocket a little bit more, $2,000, just to make up the difference for me to have my price per month be about the same. So for the Jeep right now, my monthly payments is about $567 per month. So my car payment went up like $20. But at the same time, my insurance went down, so it kind of cancels it out, and it's pretty decent. I know a lot of people that are paying like upwards to $1,000 per month, and that's a little tougher. I know I couldn't do that, but yeah, I pay about $567, $570 a month for my Jeep. And now for the gas part of this video, this thing got, I think, like 23 gallons of gas, right? So 23, 22 gallons, whatever it holds. And if I pull up on this, hold on, let me turn the camera. So as y'all can see, I'm at 10 miles per gallon right now. And I'm in eco mode, so sometimes it goes down to 4-cylinder. But 10 miles per gallon isn't good at all, to be honest. That's definitely something to think about if you're thinking about getting an SRT. If you're gonna do a lot of city driving, stopping at stoplights, not going over 60 miles per hour. You're gonna be burning a lot more gas stopping and being in the city, driving around, stopping and leaving your car on, stuff like that. But we don't get these vehicles because they're great on gas, and we know that. I save at the tank 1.5 times a week. That depends on how you're driving. If you're just driving in auto, like no track mode at all, no sport mode at all, you're just driving in auto eco, you'll probably be at the tank once a week, maybe, if you fill it up, you know. Driving around in the city all the time, yeah, probably like once a week. If you drive around in sport mode, track mode, you running on the highway a little bit, you know, you're gonna burn a lot more gas. So you're probably there 2 times a week, 3 at most, and that's if you're in track mode all day, every day. The cheapest place I can find gas is under $5. It's at $4.99 right now for premium, and they only let you go up to 75, and 75 gets me a little less than 3/4 of a full tank. So it probably cost me like $120, $130 to fill. I'll check it and let you guys know for sure. But yeah, it probably cost me like $130 to fill. At one point in time when gas was at $6, it was costing me $150 to fill up this tank, and that is ridiculous. I never thought it would get to that, but I love the Jeep, so I pay the price, you know. You gotta pay to have fun. So it is what it is. I love this SRT. All right, y'all, I'm about ready to close out this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every single last one of y'all. Y'all clicked on this video and y'all supporting me, and I really appreciate that. Do me a favor, go down, follow me on my Instagram at SRT BUBZ. I'm almost at 40K on there, which is crazy. Thank you everybody who's following me on there, so you can stay most up to date with me on my Instagram. Also, go down, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. Thank you guys again. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.